Hey, Alyssa here at Sipkens Nurseries, and today we're talking hydrangea color. How to go from this to this. So if you wish to have blue or purple flowers on your hydrangeas, this can be achieved by using aluminum sulfate. So this is a soil pH adjustment, and it works in most soils of Sarnia Lambton. You can also use a Miracle-Gro shake and feed for acid-loving plants. Keep in mind that this method works well on the hydrangeas that are supposed to have blue flowers from the mountain or mophead families of hydrangeas. A white hydrangea cannot turn blue. Come on into Sipkens Nurseries. We have hydrangeas by the hundreds, and they are amazing. See us soon.